Hi everyone! Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of connecting web pages in HTML. This is an essential skill for creating a multi-page website, and I'm excited to show you how it's done. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, open your HTML file or create a new one. You'll need to use the A tag to create a hyperlink that connects one page to another. Inside the A tag, you'll define the href attribute, which tells the browser where to go when the link is clicked. Step 2. Now in the href attribute, you'll enter the URL or path to the page you want to link to. For example, if you want to link to another HTML file in the same folder, you'd use something like, this will link to the about.html page. If you're linking to an external website, you'd use the full URL, like example.com, visit example. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.